Herman again in another Just My Review. Today I'm again with my daughter Crystal, and we're gonna review something I get in Amazon, and it's something for her. It's a surprise. Crystal, you wanna check what it is?
Okay, let's see. It says it's a stainless steel vacuum cup.
Thermos,
basically. It's called a Tropro. And the packaging says that it's made of stainless steel, has long-lasting insulation, food grade safety, and it's sealed and leak-proof.
in other words, it's a food jar or any liquid, right?
It's a high-quality food jar.
Okay, go. Let's see. That's nice. You like it?
I don't know. Let's see. I like the packaging.
Yeah, the packaging is amazing.
Yeah, it's very sophisticated.
Oh wow! Look at that. Wow.
Yeah. It
That's
comes
nice.
in a little baggie. Oh my god, this one is so cute.
It's a little spoon.
Little spoon.
Also got a thank you card right here, and let's see what it says. It says contact by mail, or also got the product ID, and they said they will reply in 24 hours. And basically right here in the box, they give you the basically the maintenance, how to take care of the product. They give you the temperature is for cold or hot, liquids or food, and it's leak-proof stainless steel. And they give you the how do you gotta wash it, hand wash it for better results, and what is inside. And it's a real nice presentation from Tropro. And now the product inside is this thermos jar. Oh, look at that spoon. It's nice, huh? Little one. It's good. Oh wow, and it's a high quality. It's not a like a regular.
Like plastic or anything.
Yeah, it's a real good quality. It's not like those metal one bendables. No, this is real strong. I like it. It's very good.
The thermos comes in a plastic baggie, like it was wrapped around, and then it was put in this.
That's nice.
Oh, it's like matte. It has like a matte texture.
That's cool.
As a logo right here. It says hand wash only, do not microwave, from the steel vacuum mode.
Oh, what you can what it says about the microwave?
It says don't microwave it.
Oh, don't microwave. Yeah, because it's metal. Yeah, of course. Yeah, it's gonna explode.
Ooh, look at this. It's tiny. It's nice to do.
Wow, it's very solid. Holy moly, look at this. This is... Okay.
Wait, is it like the vacuum thing?
Oh, yeah. For example, it's like if you put something hot, like food or stuff like that, and
it's too hot.
you can release the... Oh, wow. Look at that. That's nice.
Cool.
Oh, the finish is very nice. I love it.
It's a matte finish.
Wow.
It's a very high quality mug.
Yeah, it's a very nice. And let me see, this thing goes this way? Yeah. What is this thing for? Open if you...
You untighten it.
Okay.
And you take it off. Push it. And it loosens the pressure.
Oh wow, okay. Let me see. Oh yeah, that's for release this thing. That's nice. This is for cleaning. When you guys after using it, you guys just remove all this stuff in here, and you guys can clean it real good. And also you got the gasket seal. It's easy removable. And just in the future, as a reference, guys, I see this stuff sometimes. This gasket get damaged because get old. Well, Amazon had this gasket. I get it for another thermos. Very sure they're gonna have it for this one too, because almost the same kind. It's a very nice product. And what you gonna do with this thermos? What are you gonna use it for?
I'm gonna take it to school and I'm gonna eat it.
Yeah, wow. How many ounces is this guy? Did it say somewhere?
It's pretty big.
It's like a 16 ounces, something like that.
500 milliliters. Right?
something like that. 500 milliliters. It's okay. Well, guys, there you have it. Right here is in Amazon.com. The product Tropro is a stainless steel vacuum thermos cup. Got a spoon included, and everything is in an excellent price. They got a discount right now. If you go right there, check it out. That's my review. Me and my daughter Crystal say hi to you and bye now. And see you guys in another Just My Review. Thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you guys later. Bye.